How to use Wayfair gift card. To use your Wayfair's gift card, you must first redeem it to your account balance, which can be applied during a checkout. So you just have to go to wayfair.com/redeem. Open any browser that you have, type in wayfair.com/redeem. As you do this, you have to go ahead and enter your card code to add entire amount to your account. So simply go ahead and select that. Type in the gift card code found on the back of your physical card or in the digital e-card email. Then the full value of the card will be added to your account balance, and then you could simply add the balance. Right now, you could go ahead and check out your product. You could just go to the checkout procedure, and during your payment piece, you could use that amount as well, and you will be able to get certain amount of discounts. So that's how you will be able to use a Wayfair gift card. With that being said, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.